example 1, from a point on the ground which is 15 meter away from the foot of building, the angle of elevation at top of building is found to be 45 degrees. Find the height of building. Suppose height of building is h, angle of elevation is 45 degree, so 45 degree is equal to AB upon BC, or the 45 equal to 1, so h upon 15, h equal to 15 into 1 equal to 15 meter. Answer, height of building is the 15 meter. An observer 1.4 meter tall is 25.6 meter away from the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from her eyes is 45 degree. What is the height of tower? Here BC is the tower, A is observer, and the angle of elevation of top of tower from his eyes is 45 degree. What is height of tower? Here BC is the tower, AE observer, and angle CEO is the angle of the observation, and the AB equal to ED equal to 25.6 meter. In the right angle triangle CDE, tan 45 equal to DC upon ED. DC upon 45 degree equal to tan 45 is 1, to DC upon 25.6, DC equal to 25.6. Thus the height of tower is height of observer equal to 25.6 plus 1.4 equal to 27 meter. Answer. Example 5, from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of building is 30 degree. A flag is placed on the top of the building, and the angle of elevation from point P to the flag is 45 degree. Find the height of the flag staff and the distance between P and the building. Here AB, height of building BD, length of flag staff, two right angle PAB, and PAD. Find length of flag staff, and the distance between building and point P. In right angle triangle PAB, tan 30 equal to AB upon PA. AB कितना है? tan 30 equal to 1 upon √3. AB सपोज हमने बिल्डिंग को सपोज अभी 10 मीटर मान लिया ही है, ये 10 upon P है. PA इक्वल टू हो गया 10√3. अगेन distance between PA building Find P and building 10 root 3. Now let us suppose that BD is x meter. BD is BD, ये इसको x मीटर मान लिया. And the AB is equal to AD, ये AD equal to AB plus x मीटर. 1045 AD अपन PA क्या है 10 प्लस एक्स अपन 10 रूट 3. इक्वल टू 10 प्लस एक्स इक्वल टू 10 रूट 3 माइनस 10. तो एक्स इक्वल टू हो गया 10, इससे कॉमन निकाल लिए 10 इंटू रूट 3 माइनस 1. दस दी हाइट ऑफ फ्लैग x इक्वल टू 10 रूट 3 माइनस 1 मीटर. If voice is standing at some distance from the 30-meter tall building, the angle of elevation of his eye to the top of building increases from 30 to 60 degree as he walks toward the building. Find the distance he walks toward the building. Suppose BC represent building FY standing at point A. Height of building is 30 meter given. In right angle triangle ABC, 1030 BC upon AC. ये BC upon AC ये कितना हो गया 1 upon root 3. 1030 1 upon root 3 equal to 30 upon AC. AC equal to 30 root 3 meter. In right angle triangle BCD, 1060 BC upon CD equal to 30 upon CD. 30 upon CD, CD equal to 30 upon root 3. इसका रेशनाइज करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 10 root 3 मीटर. डिस्टेंस वॉक्ड बाई दी y is AD equal to AC minus CD. 30 root 3 minus 10 root 3 equal to 20 root 3 meter. Answer: the boy walked 20 root 3 meter toward the building. The angle of depression of the top of tower. The angle of depression of top of tower to the flower pot on the ground, which is 30 meter away from the foot of tower, is 30 degree. Find the height of tower. Example 7. Let AB is tower, OP is flower pot. Angle of depression, angle XOB 30 degree and the OB is 30 meter. Angle XAB equal to AOB 30 degree. Alternate angle. Triangle OAB equal to 1030 AB upon OB. 1030 is equal to 1 upon root 3. AB equal to 30 upon root 3 इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 10 रूट 3 रेशनलाइज होके. देयरफॉर दी हाइट ऑफ टावर इज दी 10 रूट 3 मीटर. The angle of depression from the top of the light pole to the top of the foot of building is 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. If the height of building is 20 meter, then find the height of pole and the distance from the building. let PQ is the light pole. AB 20 meter higher building. Height of top building is 12 meter. Distance of pole from building is x meter. Here QB x meter और AB equal to 12 meter. Angle or depression from top of building is 45 degree. And 2 foot of the building is 60 degree. Angle ADX equal to 45 degree equal to RAD, alternate angle. Angle BPX equal to 60 degree equal to angle QPD, alternate angle. Let PR बराबर H, PR बराबर in the right angle triangle PR equal to 1045 इक्वल टू हो गया PR अपन RA को हमने मान लिया X, टेन 45 डिग्री इक्वल टू हो गया N, तो PR इक्वल टू X. इन दी राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल PQB 1060 PQ बटे QPB 1060 हो गया √3 इक्वल टू PQ हो गया H + 12 अपान X. ये √3X इक्वल टू H + 12. On putting the value of X, √3H equal to H + 12. √3H minus H equal to 12. H equal to हो गया 12 अपान √3 minus 1. यहाँ क्या है देखो, रेशनलाइजेशन ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. H कितना हो गया 12 √3 अपान 3 minus 1, ये हो गया 6 √3 minus 1. हाइट ऑफ पोल इक्वल टू PR + RQ. P कितना है 6 √3 + 1 + 12 मीटर. ये हो गया 6 √3 + 6 + 12 6 √3 + 18 मीटर. आंसर. A straight road goes straight up to till the base of building. A man standing on top of building sees a car at 30 degree angle of depression. The car is moving toward the building at a uniform speed. After the car has covered a distance of 30 meters, the angle of depression becomes 60 degree. If the time taken by car to reach the building is from this point 10 seconds, then find the speed of car and the height of building. Example 10. AB building of height, suppose H, BC equal to X meter, given CD 30 meter. Angle ABD equal to 30 degree. ACB equal to 60 degree. Tan 30 equal to AB upon DB. तो tan 30 हो गया 1/√3 इक्वल टू H अपॉन 30 प्लस एक्स. H इक्वल टू 30 प्लस एक्स अपॉन √3. ये इक्वेशन नंबर 1. इन दी राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ABC tan 60 AB बटे BC. tan 60 हो गया √3 इक्वल टू H अपॉन एक्स. H इक्वल टू हो गया √3x. इक्वेशन नंबर 2. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2 30 प्लस एक्स अपॉन √3 इक्वल टू x √3. ये हो गया 30 प्लस एक्स इक्वल टू x √3 इंटू x √3 इक्वल टू हो गया 3x या x3. 30 प्लस x3 इक्वल टू 2x इक्वल टू 30. x इक्वल टू 15. Time taken to reach the height of building equal to h equal to x √3. x इक्वल टू हो गया 15. तो हाइट ऑफ बिल्डिंग हो गया 15 √3 मीटर. टाइम टेकन टू रीच द बिल्डिंग इज 10 सेकंड. स्पीड ऑफ कार इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. तो 15/10 इक्वल टू 1.5 मीटर पर सेकंड. आंसर